Terry, how you doing?
I thought I heard a truck.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good, man. You back here making knives?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing every day.
And you're forging them?
Yeah, hand forging.
So we've been up at Smith & Wesson seeing how they forge guns.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd see how you do it on a more intimate scale.
That's great. Come on in.
Show me how to do it?
Come on in. I'm about to make one now.
So one of your popular knives is, you call it a railroad spike knife?
Yeah, I make a lot of railroad spike knives. It's a knife that people have been making for years and years.
Well, show me how you do it.
Sure. I'll get everything going right here and get a spike going, and then we'll take you through one. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making an alligator skin design in this handle.
Let's do it. Let's make some sparks.
You ready?
All right. So now we got to heat this sucker up, huh?
Yeah, we're going to head to the fire with it. And now this is ready to bring over to the anvil. What I do is I'll put it right there. And then I'm going to make a mark right down the center. And I'm going to turn it over. And every side will get a vertical mark. And that'll help make our design. And then our next process will be going to the vise and then giving it a twist.
You guys just get to hammer on stuff all day, huh?
All day long.
Total stress reliever.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a great way to take out your frustration.
So now we're making the blade.
Yep.
But you can really see it taking form right away.
Yep. And that has to do with the heat, that yellow color. Just letting it move. And the placement of the blows has everything to do with it. What I'm going to do is a differential heat. I'm not going to dunk the whole blade. I'm just going to dunk half the blade.
Oh, okay.
And what that does is it hardens the bottom of the blade to get it hard for an edge.
Okay,
it keeps the spine of the blade soft so it can be flexible. Okay, that's it. That's the forging process.
Wow.
And our next step will be just finishing that handle and working on the blade.
Okay. Terry showed us everything from taking a basic railroad spike to forging it, working with coal and the heat, hammering on it, grinding on it, and turning it into a beautiful work of art.
The other way to make a gun is with casting, starting with wax, ceramic coatings, boiling sands, add heat, a lot of heat, melt steel, and the results are up next.